Hey guys, it's your girl Zoisha, and I'm back with a new video! Yay! So, as you guys can see, it's a new year, and with that, there are going to be some new things coming to my channel this year, so stay tuned. But first things first, how do you guys like my new backdrop? Well, not my new backdrop, my backdrop, because I ain't never got no backdrop before, girl. So leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about my backdrop, okay? And taking your girl's eyes and stuff, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Am I getting better or what? Yes! So anyways, what I wanted to do today is something a little bit different. I never did a video like this before, but a couple months back, I was planning on going to Jamaica for Christmas. That never ended up happening. So in the midst of me planning that trip, I was doing a little online shopping, and at that point in time, I had bought a couple things from this store called dressgal.com. Now at Dressgal, there's certain things that you can get free shipping on, while other items you have to pay shipping for. So some of the items that I'm going to be showing you today in this video, which is going to be a fashion haul, are items that I purchased from Dressgal. And again, some items I did have to pay shipping for, while others I did not have to pay shipping for. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that I had bought, and again, I was going to Jamaica, so a lot of these items are summery items. I know you guys are probably like, why is she showing these items in the wintertime? Don't judge me, okay? I just want to do the haul. Thank you very much. But anyways, the first item that I'm going to be showing you guys is a two-piece item. I've seen this item everywhere. One beauty vlogger that I follow on YouTube, Jayla Corian, she had one, and even though I'm not skinny like her, I was like, yo, I gotta get my hands on that. So this is the top of the two-piece. Okay, short sleeves, that's the top, and it's the shorts I believe are high-rise. Yes, so the shorts are high rise, and it's supposed to show a little bit of your belly, not too much of your belly. So I love that. And guys, all of these items were under $10 because I am very, very cheap. I do not buy anything over $10. So that was $10, or under $10, I should say, okay? The next thing that I purchased was this green mini neon skirt. It's like a cheerleading pleated kind of skirt. The front, this is the back. Pretty simple, very cute, Jamaica-ish. The next item that I purchased was more so for like traveling there or traveling home, because it's winter here, not there. So I need to be warm, but still cute. So I got this top. It's a plain t-shirt. Not t-shirt, it's a plain long sleeve sweaterish kind of top. Why are you not working? Hang on. There we go. So yeah, so it looks like that. And then the sleeves, I loved the sleeves because they are ripped. Yay! So I thought that was really, really cute. And I think this was only like $5. So girl. The next thing that I got, I really, really wanted one of these shirts, man. You know, man, because I love showing my boobies sometimes. But anyways, I got this shirt. It's supposed to be like, you know, one of them tie-up blows in the front. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. I can't seem to open it right now to show y'all. There we go. There we go. Yeah. So, see? And it's just a plain black top. And I think I got this for like $3 or $4. Yeah. Okay. The next item. Listen, I'm going to try to get the pictures and put it up to match with these items, you guys, because this cloth, how I'm doing this is not giving this any justice. But the next thing that I got was this really cute romper, you guys. This was only $6. Okay, I love my rompers because I hate really showing my legs, and like rompers are just so cute. So it's an all black romper with gold zippers in the front and the back, and it zips all the way down on both sides. And then it has some cute little pockets, and it's supposed to fit you like baggy-ish, and the bottom is like skinny-ish. So it's like really stretchy material, almost like tights in a sense. And this fits really, really good. I think this would be good for like really, honestly, really and truly any like body type. But one of them is the front, the other one is the back. You only can really tell when you put it on because the pockets go more towards the front. But again, I said I will try to get a picture and put it up for you guys. And yeah, the next thing that I got is my new motto for 2016 and the rest of my life. But anyways, it says dream, believe, and achieve. Just a really simple basic tee. You know, you can never go wrong with a basic tee. And again, I was shopping for Jamaica. Next, I got some stuff for the Walter. I got 2 high-waisted bathing suits. I got this orange one. And the top just looks like this. Okay, so you just pretty much wrap it around. However you want to wear it, right? Whether you want to cover your boobage area or not, right? Yes. So that's that for that 2-piece. And the other 2-piece, I can't find the bottom for right now. I bought these way before I moved, so they're somewhere. But the other 2-piece bathing suit is like this. This thing top is a little different than the other one, but pretty much similar. And those bathing suits also were under $5. Hello. So if you like any of the items that I purchased in my haul, you need to get your ass over to dressgal.com. I will leave a link in the description box below. And if you've already shopped there before, then you know what I'm feeling. Okay? Oh, wait. I also got this skirt. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. So, can you imagine me on the beach in this? Sure. So yes, that's the last of my items from dressgal.com for my haul. Again, all of my items were $10 and under. I don't think I actually bought anything for $10 because I'm very iffy when it comes to that. So I will leave a link in the description box below, linking you to the website where you can go and make these purchases. And if I can't find the direct link for all of the items, I will include that as well. And I'm also going to try to find the pictures of the actual items on models, and I will insert that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give the video a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment below and press that subscribe button, honey, if you have not subscribed already. And I don't know what you're waiting for because I started my YouTube channel in 2015. It's 2016 now. You should have done subscribed already, okay? Shoot. Let me know if you guys want to see any more videos like these. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.